Ahoy, me hearties! Remember me? I'm Pirate Pip, and I haven't seen you lot for ages. I tell you what, I've been self-isolating on my boat over there, the Clean Sweep. I tell you what, I'm so bored. I don't know if you're bored, but I am really bored. So anyway, I was having a Zoom chat with my sister, Mrs. Lucas, my twin sister, remember? And she said, well, I'm making videos for my class. And I said, oh, can I be in your video? I won't say nothing stupid, I promise. And she said, all right, you can, but you've got to edit it. If you do it, you've got to edit it for me. And I said, all right, then I will. So I just wanted to say hello, and I wanted to give you two maths jokes. Number one is this. What did 0 say to 8? Nice bell. Oh, that one cracks me up. And what do you call a number that travels around a lot? A Roman numeral. Well, I hope you like those jokes as much as me. Now I'm going to hand you over to the serious stuff. Make sure you work really hard. And then at the end, I'll come and say bye. Have fun. See you later. Hello, everybody, and welcome to today's video. It's now week 2 of term 5. Hope you enjoyed last week's video. This one is on place value with word problems. Now let's just recap what place value is in case you may have forgotten. So here we have a place value chart. We have 3 numbers placed in that chart. The number 3 is placed in the hundreds column. So the value of that number in the hundreds column is 300. The number is 3, but the value is 300. In the tens column, the number is 5, but it's in the tens column. So the value is 50, correct. In the units, or as we like to call them, ones column, we have a 2. The 2 means 2 ones. So the whole number is 352. Good. Right, now we have recapped what place value means. I'm going to show you how to decode word problems. It's very important that you remember this and that you have a strategy and you always follow that strategy. How do I decode maths word problems? First of all, you read the whole question from start to finish, so you get an idea of the whole question. There may be 1 stage to the question, there may be 2 stages or even 3. The next point, read the question again and highlight the important parts. Now, I have a question down here. This is one of your first questions, and we are going to decode this together. So let's find the important parts. We'll read it. This is a 3-digit number. The hundreds digit is 2 times 4. The tens digit is the number of days in a week. The ones digit is 5. Take away 4. Right, this is a 3-digit number. Now, I think 3-digit number is very important here. Let's move on. The hundreds digit is 2 times 4. Now there is a calculation that you need to do there. That is very important. So highlight that because you will be doing that calculation. It's also in the hundreds column. The tens digit is the number of days in a week. Number of days in a week. Right, we all know how many days there are in a week. How many days are there in a week? 7, good. So that's going to be the tens digit. The tens digit is the number of days in a week. So we highlight that important information. The ones digit is 5, take away 4. So the important information to remember there is that this number is going to go in the ones column and that it's 5, take away 4. Okay, now we've done that, let's look at our next point. Read the question again. Write down all your workings out clearly. Right, I'm going to take you through that down here and show you exactly how I would do it. I'll just get my pen. Let's choose green, different colour. Okay, so I'm thinking to myself, okay, 3-digit number. That means I am going to need, excuse me, slight technical hitch. So I am going to need, where's my pen? Please work this time. Thank you. I am going to need a hundreds column. And you can draw this out on your paper as we're going along. And I'm going to need a tens column. And I'm going to need a ones column. Okay, so that's got that sorted out. Let's go to the next important part of the question. The hundreds digit is 2 times 4. I am going to write my working out clearly so that my teacher can see and so that I can keep my thoughts organised and my stages clear. 2 times 4 is, exactly, 2 times 4 is 8. Right, so that's the first part. So we can write the 8 straight away in our hundreds column. First part of our answer. The next part of the question says the tens digit is the number of days in a week. We all know that there are 7 days in a week, so we can just place the 7 straight away there. Then the final part of our problem, the ones digit is 5 minus 4. Let's write that out so we are clear and our teacher can see that we have done the working out. 5 take away 4 is, exactly, it's 1. So we can place our 1 there, and there we have our answer, 871. Okay, so here are your first 4 word problems. I'd like you to get a pen and a piece of paper, and I would like you to decode the questions as I've shown you, showing your working out clearly. And don't forget to press pause. How did you get on? Here are the answers to the first 4 questions. Pause the film and see if you got them right. Now these questions are slightly harder, so you really have to read them. You really have to decode them as I've shown you, and do not forget to show your working out and organise your thoughts. Good luck. Pause the screen now. So here are your answers to these 3 questions. Number 1, 5,636. Number 2, 399. Number 3, 2,657. But wait, I have 2 extension questions for those of you who think you're tough enough. Here they are, the extension questions. Good luck. Pause the screen. And here are the extension answers. Let's read them together. 97,902. And the final question, 57,956. Did you remember where to put the comma? Excellent job. Okay, I have one more slide for you before the end of this maths session. And this is where I would like you to write your own place value word problem for someone in your family, or maybe a friend. If you're Zooming a friend later, they could perhaps answer your place value word problem. And for the bonus task, all right, me hearties, how'd you get on with that then? You learned something? I hope so. Anyway, I've got to go now, but I just wanted to say, I'm going to give you some homework. And your homework from me is find a joke about numbers. And next time you see your teachers, you can tell them your joke and they can pass it on to me. All right, nice to see you all. Take care. Bye.